Welcome to our exploration of high net worth banking and private banking services. When individuals accumulate significant wealth, traditional banking services often fall short of meeting their complex financial needs. Private banking emerges as a specialized solution designed specifically for wealthy clients who require personalized attention, sophisticated investment strategies, and exclusive financial services. Throughout this presentation, you'll gain a clear understanding of what private banking entails, the specialized services it offers, and most importantly, how to determine whether these premium services are worthwhile for your financial situation. Private banking represents a tier of financial services that goes far beyond what typical bank customers receive. At its core, private banking provides exclusive, personalized financial management tailored specifically to high net worth individuals who have accumulated substantial assets. Think of it as having a dedicated financial team focused entirely on your wealth. The entry threshold varies significantly depending on the financial institution, but most private banks require between $1 million and $5 million in investable assets. This means liquid assets that can be invested, not including your primary residence. These high minimums ensure that banks can justify dedicating extensive resources and expert personnel to each client. The foundation of private banking rests on three core services that distinguish it from standard banking. First, you receive a dedicated relationship manager who serves as your single point of contact for all financial matters. This professional knows your financial situation intimately and is available 24/7 to address your needs. Second, private banks offer customized investment management, creating portfolios specifically aligned with your personal goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon rather than placing you in generic investment products. Third, comprehensive wealth planning and advisory services help you develop sophisticated strategies for preserving and growing your wealth across generations. These aren't cookie-cutter solutions, but carefully crafted plans that evolve with your changing circumstances. Beyond the core offerings, private banking provides access to specialized financial services that address complex wealth management challenges. Estate planning services help you structure trusts, develop inheritance strategies, and ensure your legacy is preserved according to your wishes. Tax optimization becomes crucial at higher wealth levels, and private banks employ specialists who develop strategic plans to minimize your tax liabilities across multiple jurisdictions while remaining fully compliant with regulations. For clients with international connections, cross-border solutions become essential, providing multi-currency accounts and coordinated wealth management that seamlessly handles assets in different countries. These specialized services require deep expertise that most individuals simply cannot replicate on their own. Private banking clients enjoy premium benefits that extend well beyond basic financial services. Exclusive credit facilities provide access to preferential loan rates, substantially higher credit limits, and flexible terms that aren't available to regular banking customers. Many private banks include lifestyle concierge services that handle travel arrangements, secure access to exclusive events, and manage luxury reservations that would otherwise be difficult to obtain. Perhaps most valued by many clients is the enhanced privacy and security that private banking provides. Confidential transaction, handling, and advanced fraud protection ensure that your financial affairs remain discreet and your wealth stays secure. These benefits transform banking from a transactional relationship into a comprehensive lifestyle service. Understanding the cost structure of private banking is essential for evaluating its value proposition. Management fees typically range from 0.5% to 2% of your assets under management annually. This means if you have $5 million invested, you might pay between $25,000 and $100,000 per year. Performance fees represent additional charges based on investment returns that exceed predetermined benchmarks, essentially rewarding the bank for exceptional results. Advisory charges apply for specialized services like estate planning, tax advice, and complex financial structuring. However, One benefit is that transaction costs for activities like trading and international transfers are often reduced or completely waived. When evaluating these costs, compare them against the value and expertise you receive. Private banking makes the most sense in specific situations where its benefits clearly outweigh the costs. If you have complex financial situations involving multiple income streams, business ownership, or international assets, the expertise and coordination private banking provides becomes invaluable. High-earning professionals who face significant time constraints often find tremendous value in delegating financial management to trusted experts, freeing them to focus on their careers or other priorities. When you require specialized expertise that goes beyond standard wealth management, such as sophisticated estate planning, international tax strategies, or complex trust structures, private banking gives you access to professionals who handle these matters daily. In these scenarios, the fees become an investment in better financial outcomes rather than just an expense. Equally important is recognizing when private banking isn't the right choice. If your assets fall below the minimum requirements, the fees will likely outweigh any benefits you receive, making it financially inefficient. Individuals who possess strong do-it-yourself investment knowledge and feel comfortable managing their own portfolios using standard brokerage tools often don't benefit enough to justify the costs. Similarly, if you have straightforward financial needs without cross-border complications or estate complexity, the specialized services private banking offers simply aren't necessary. In these cases, you're better served by traditional wealth management services, robo-advisors, or self-directed investing platforms that charge significantly lower fees while still meeting your actual needs. If you've determined private banking is right for you, choosing the appropriate institution requires careful evaluation. Start by researching the reputation of potential private banks, examining their track record, reading client reviews, and verifying their regulatory standing with financial authorities. The relationship manager will be your primary contact, so interview multiple candidates to assess their expertise, communication style, and overall service approach. You need someone you trust and can communicate with effectively. Finally, compare fee structures across different institutions, ensuring you understand all costs involved and that pricing is transparent. Don't hesitate to negotiate fees, especially if you're bringing substantial assets. The right private bank should feel like a true partnership focused on your long-term financial success. As we conclude, remember that private banking offers personalized financial management and exclusive services specifically designed for high net worth individuals. It becomes worthwhile when you have complex financial needs, substantial assets, and genuinely value expert guidance that can navigate sophisticated wealth management challenges. However, the decision isn't purely about meeting minimum asset requirements. Carefully consider the costs against your specific situation, your financial complexity, and the actual value you'll receive. Private banking represents a significant financial commitment, but for the right clients in the right circumstances, it delivers expertise, convenience, and financial outcomes that justify the investment. Evaluate your unique situation honestly to determine if private banking aligns with your wealth management goals.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.